My name is Dalia de la Cruz Amog. I am 49-year-old, married. I am working in Hong Kong as a domestic helper, 6 years in one employer. I know how to cook, taking care of the kids, washing car, ironing, marketing, gardening, and also doing the household chores. About myself, I am very polite, humble, respectful, very friendly to others, and willing to work alone. And how my job past 6 years, I taking care of two kids. The eldest one is 6. The youngest one is 3 years old. The two adults are both 65 years old. And then I'm also going to market twice a week, cooking, doing the household chores, and then gardening, and then cleaning the swimming pool twice a week, and then washing car every weekend. Thank you, mom and sir. Please check my profile in Helper Library. Thank you very much.